In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually start using Dropbox. It's a very simple and step-by-step process. Head to your Dropbox.com account and then you're greeted with this page. In this page, you're gonna find a lot of options. First of all, on the left corner, you're gonna find the home page, the files page, the recents page. As you can see, all you can see in the home page is the following: suggested activities, recents, and starred, I mean. Those basically are the items that you star and will show up here for easy access. To create a folder, all you have to do is create on this button and create either a folder, a shared folder, or an automatic folder. A folder is simply a folder. My folder, for example. Let's create it, and the folder should be created. In the folder, you can upload stuff by either, for example, as you can see right here, having some videos or files, and then just dragging and clicking on them, and this is how you upload them. Or you can click on upload and choose the files, and this will open the directory and you can choose a file. I'm gonna cancel this upload as I don't want you to actually upload. To cancel upload, all you have to do is click on the cancel button there. Now you can also share and manage access to this folder by clicking here. You're gonna create a link, and in this link everybody will be able to edit it. I don't want that. I want just everyone to be able to view it. Creating this link, I'll be able to copy it and I'm good to go. If anyone, for example, let's head to private browser, copy this link, kaboom, you're gonna find the file that we're looking for. It's that simple, that easy. Since nothing is created in action in this file, nothing will be viewed here. As you can see, the folder is empty. But make sure that you change this from can edit to can view, or you can add specific people by email or name in their actual Dropbox. You can click on settings right here and customize the settings for more. So anyone with the link can view, anyone for editing could be like specific people, and you guys get the idea. A password, the expiration date, a viewing link, a folder settings, and that's basically it. We can also organize the file, add automation. We can choose category to sort by, either set a rule to rename the files, either convert files to PDFs, choose an image format to convert the files to always keep your images, for example, PNG or JPEG, for example. Choose a file format. There's a lot of stuff, either a zip or choose a file format to convert audios to. Basically, if I choose something, I will have to just click on next, choose the full files where I want this to be added, and click on add, and this all process will be done automatically. I can also back up my photos from my phone. As you can see right here, I can scan this QR code and all the photos will be saved right here. I can request files to be added from another person. Basically, I can do this, and for example, requested files, and then I'm gonna click on create. And this link, if I share it with anyone, I believe they will be able to upload files right here, as you can see right here. That's basically it, guys, for Dropbox. There's not much to it. I hope you find this useful. Goodbye.